In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enter leading zeros in Excel. So by default, Excel doesn't actually display or store leading zeros, but if you're trying to do that for one of your projects, this will be for you. So we're going to start by first selecting the range or column that you want to set the formatting for. This doesn't really matter, but I'm just going to select the entire A column here. And now somewhere inside of the selected column, you want to right click in an area that's already selected. And you want to go and left click on Format Cells from this menu. So left click on Format Cells. And now you want to left click on the Custom option. And now you want to left click underneath Type, should be General here. You want to just left click on the 0 button. So the one that says 0. And then in this field, you can just type however many zeros you want. So let's say I want to add 4 zeros. So I'm going to type 4 zeros in here. And you can see a sample of what it's going to look like. So if I left click on OK, you can see now it's going to show 4 digits, so it might say only 3 zeros when you're up to the number 10, but after 10 it's only going to show 2 zeros, so it's not just going to keep building on and on more place values, if that makes sense. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial.